Solar installation and maintenance energy audit. Since electricity is not readily available, the solar power system is the most sought after installation skills in Nigeria. Solar generates electricity by absorbing sunlight. Solar provides clean, renewable energy. Solar gives you control over your electricity, and it also increases your home value. The solar power system works on the principle of 5 engines that makes up the system. These are solar panel, charge controller, battery, inverter, and electrical wires. The sunlight is absorbed by the solar panel and converted to direct current, DC power, and this process is known as the photovoltaic effect. The DC power will then pass through the charge controller, which acts as a regulating medium, before it will eventually be fed into the battery, which is meant to store energy, and finally the inverter, which converts DC power to AC power. The AC power suitable for home use is utilized to run home appliances.